akubia no o man mo ka 1 billion just because of your private jet obetumi wiare wo mu e wo wiem ona na so afo ye hu ahoto obo de omo wo mu ti se no nti no mu hu a wo kira ye wo mu na fine ba ye kaya semu a omo ma ye nka no mu nyai saa abufu sem na omo friends em twofo keka no eno na ye asem we di kaya no a ye ka ho asem ye to so biem e kata asese ne poye ho asem MPP for friends em twofo se se do mahama no modi na tem na do mahama ye konfo o general secretary so do mahama kra no o ye king of corruption reigning king of corruption e dey ka ho and you say nti anya bi MPP for you we serious because the same one my friends am jofu nshi mu kekai ya tia bre mo opposition 2016 mo kan san say mu nyina do mahama yewe mo ti wakoto to adan ya Dubai mo se ena kaswa interchange regional hospital Kumasi airport project all ye no kwa no ne buo no de sika ni bia toto so se na be ya wo bewia mo se o de $10 million a printed presidential diaries o ye konfo ayi se san se mi enye se bi totofia kwa bia wa MPP mu ne kan yo obo kan difo saf mre no o mantenye kufu ado na lead the charge o mo ka san se ni tina Ghana fo bebiri ni se obo ba tina konya so de president ma makra de obeko prison ya chichi ni ministers ni deputy ministers akogum because omo ya konfo se papa idi ya mame enfie numuni president Mahama na onam ho a husun sa abrobe no husun fita because in the bebrebe omo kan gulu so no ba kokura di wo matimi di ehwo adanse aba
ba se wo mmara se ofirade so a enfie du achi ni wuntimi prosecute no
within the first 3 years so bokro no be in his personal capacity I will be chinya chen the court jara na 3 years atwam no mo ntimi anfa awentimi anya wo hwe adanse ya kro mo ntimi anfa bi amba na dan na wo Dubai na way Mr. President Akufo-Addo mai on the call Germany go ka President Mahama the $10 million a printed presidential diary and what dance here way on no ne ka President Mahama abokro no work as why interchange Kumasi airport and a regional hospital and what dance here way ya kushi 7 kuntumpu na wo twa kire Ghana for because no be too mean no now say you be dey now we opposition now we allegations because all they were not drawing a bingo why better konya so a police shower say soldier shower say obi abokro no a yese fa ne ko dina court 5 years ni wutimi nyehwe still press conference ne wa no fafa na wo de kasa kwa then who abai no kwa wo so faso ne say it means you are a very useless government because a man for abokro no ampa wo krom ha no wa better konya so 5 years and I dance here ba akokra wutimi fa mai enchi omu nyeji yesika mai then you are a useless government
but
so the point I am making is
me bo ayi ba ko ni say so busa MPP from omo mu bu aban ye on be ka tro say wo mu de emeredi rule of justice rule of law and natural justice na ye de ayi opuni ni ba ku mi amadam fu
me ba opuni no se ye ka Mahama de na nsa e rule of law as President Mahama omro mra so rule of law no se obi ashemba se ana kwa me boa it President Mahama omro mra so oyo mampenyi ofira konwa so wo immunities bi de ba enye total immunity e partial because obokro no bi as in his personal capacity a wutimi de ni kojina court tinsa bebrebe a mo kan say we wi sika ko sisi adan si Dubai these are crimes as and can no cry and within his personal capacity other than muti binche no other than muti binfa wa dance here mai na still mo person mo kaka sa fin edigu papa ni wanimu nobody will tolerate that kind of committee concert party from the MPP again because the omo kind no crazy wo mu anko mo de wa dance here ba so Sammy what they should be doing is to be hold on
madam be me waka na me say madam ma yen twa yen choice of words who say a national
dispute me choice of the problem be any ho
oh na
Mahama so ye Ghana ni
menim sa
John Mahama so moja wonimu it dey dia da omugu na nimu as did na attempt to your confo without any evidence no we are someone check your choice of words na me ba ko na ono obi anya boni a wo so pa ni did na attempt no na me kasa wo tie akonwa so ye tua wo ka wo adwuma ne so obi abokro no a che no kwa me anya sa
ai sa
na nfie num ni wuntimi nche no na wo de da bia atem didie na wo de bedi no aka de ani maso no so are you not useless so fast one thing because I have not said anything wrong. Let's call a spade and not a digging too. What you say na omwa se bi kakata se ne proye kwa no endi se ko bukabi omo na ekasa. Me mete se before kwa your press conference about corruption. Me free say na na akomia bi na ekwa akokasa na ya abo abia samwa. Because omo de yenti omo corruption bia. Na na akomia ko STC utan ekodu no yin mi ka maintain ho kata se ne project bia. So ya abo abia samwa ono kura omo yin afrim. Sike omo di omo ma no maintain ho corruption bia. Ana e bi kura samia wuku a afi na omo de na ko eneli. Ono yenti no ho kata se ne project bia. Now, Pobia Manaka corruption was a more. What's it John Buadu? John Buadu General Secretary. John Buadua Ghana, yes, I buy ways to acquaint Yakata as a senator or quote Yagalamsi. Mokoche excavators 500. Now, 500 excavators, Natin Yaira. Now, what about someone minister? Santo Quanodano from Pombuati, Aqua police case. MPP. Vice Chairman for Central Region, we see via excavators. And you men from Pombuatan, a quiet case, Emma police for what check, we see Hanko phone with 5 others. And they are my case in a foolish case because no money in a boom. Nay, crocodile the job. Now, tape Bab on Tia. Sir MPP Central Regional Vice Chairman, we see catch from Pombuatan as a minister. Media Bonnebena Maye. Manager on board the General Secretary by when him said party, yes, Emma Waka say I'm from Fidi any be more mono fan kwa Galamsey.
So say a dam a binu mo wa se hwehwe ma a dam e wo madwum ne ya ka mo kum nipa
Abranti agya tu mo na kopie mo court
ya ka mo kum nipa o ma busuafo no o mu ni mo o ma mu di o ma chi no a o ma jeje o mo so medi president no o mu ni nipa o ma kum o mo Ghana eti ye me so be gina bonten ye nka da bi o se youth no ye ni abre o omu fi so mo mabunu a ye omu de omu pa omu fa pentopi ne anyina ho ne ehwe omu mabunu o Ghana ha ne ehwe omu akukudu o Ghana ha say ye ni obi di si ani pa first ne ya adwese wa ban mu na gentry na nkrofobi ti office wo ye MPP appointee na to office no obi egu aban no ansori ama mekasa ama me cheche nsemu a in the fixing the country movement. No be can.
Okay.
I'm telling listen, no men can okay. We are sounding this to everybody say.
Sure.
And sempa I say can. Emma Ghana ni baby who say and sempa o. Yet to kroma ama useless people. Et to kroma ama abai mahama abai fun tantan we. Mahama abai fun tantan we. Eko si Commander Sugar Factory. Ah? Commander Sugar Factory ya hunu. Ya musa ya rasa achematin. Say omuko crash sugar efra broche ne bae receipt ni down the Ministry of Ayo Commander Sugar Factory go na journalist fobi amon pa ban we asem ni akogina ho ni aye report Commander Sugar Factory is spoiling na ye tete abam ni ete woni hwe ye timi kasa encheche nyomamu enche nkrofo mo mu hu say this is what happened under a mediocre leadership a onwene Ghana ho na ni bottom ni na fu e no bedie na no me ba dia me ka cho abanya efi so 2017 Akufo-Addo ba power 2017 the personal aid no aton Toyota Camry ama ono ano ho aka one day ni aso Akufo-Addo on no aton to abamu panifo wo mahama ho a ekoje double salary amote parliament and then Akufo-Addo abamu ye lose parliamentary seat hwentokwa no mo kuno parliament ho Argentina, those MPs, they are walking free and they are talking and throwing words about. See, to memo ebe fix your mind. Ana, nyemra de dia adwuma.
Sure.
Emra na che bia na. Why is it that we are allowing people to just go through a free? Ebi ni dia mama ya no. Se mama say yam fix your mind no a. Ya ti ase ya ni problem. Eba si dwa no a okodi ye no. Eka fixing the country no. E your mind Ghana sika one city kura and na mama so and you lose one city kura no a. You must come and explain to us.
Okay.
He must come and explain to the people of Ghana why Oma yeda sumu 4 years. Ema okofo innocent Ghanaians. Ewu ye. Mama peso cheso ojo Ghana for ho chen ye. Innocent people including my uncle. Me wofa nimpon. Na du asabre. owu because of dumso etino yen the youth of this country yeni no obika because kabana no ko ye omani ye ama nyinam kese anyinam kanea etimi ko nanimu a abupra anko man Ghana nyense Akufo-Addo obre yo anyense Akufo-Addo obre eti ye ba be busa those questions he must tell us the youth of this country yenso ye the fixing the country